Hello everyone, this is Alphonse from Shanghai Wansheng Vacuum Flask Vessel Company. Today, let's have a factory tour for our warehouse. As you can see, it's a quite big warehouse with more than 5,000 square meters, more than 100,000 storage ability. Our finished vacuum flask, air pours, mugs, bottles are placed in this warehouse. Today, I would like to show our OBC model. Okay, so this is our OBC model. Since we brought it to the market, it sells very good in US, in Canada, in Australia, and Middle East market. As you can see, there's no need to worry about our stock ability. If you have any questions, welcome to contact us. Thank you.